Are you ready to discover a tea experience that's unlike any other? Genmaicha Milk Tea combines the traditional Japanese green tea with creamy milk tea, offering a flavor profile that will take your taste buds on a unique journey. The rich, nutty essence of roasted rice paired with the smooth sweetness of milk tea makes this drink stand out. It's not just a beverage, it's a comforting experience you won't forget. So, what makes Genmaicha Milk Tea so special? It blends the best of both worlds, the earthy taste of roasted rice from Genmaicha and the creamy, sweet flavor of milk tea. In this video, we'll dive into 5 reasons why this drink will amaze you. Finding a milk tea that's both delicious and healthy can be a challenge. Many options are too sugary or lack the complexity of flavor. Genmaicha Milk Tea solves this problem by offering a perfect balance. It's rich in flavor, yet it's healthier than most traditional milk teas. Let's explore why Genmaicha Milk Tea stands out. First, the flavor is truly unique. The roasted rice in Genmaicha creates a nutty, earthy base that's both comforting and satisfying. It's a flavor that's warm and toasty, making each sip feel cozy. The second reason is the creamy milk that adds a velvety richness to the drink. The smoothness of milk balances out the nuttiness of the roasted rice, creating a harmonious taste that you'll love. Third, Genmaicha Milk Tea has health benefits. The green tea in Genmaicha is packed with antioxidants that help support your immune system and metabolism. It's a healthier alternative to many sugary drinks, giving you a satisfying, yet nutritious beverage. The fourth reason to love Genmaicha Milk Tea is its moderate caffeine content. Unlike coffee or traditional black tea, it provides just the right amount of energy to keep you alert without the jittery feeling. It's perfect for a pick-me-up during the day. Lastly, the aroma of Genmaicha Milk Tea enhances the whole experience. The roasted rice gives off a warm, inviting scent that adds to the soothing, relaxing nature of the drink. When you take a sip, the combination of flavors and aromas creates a moment of calm and enjoyment. The best part? When you try Genmaicha Milk Tea, the first sip reveals a surprising blend of roasted rice and creamy milk that's both comforting and exciting. It's a drink that feels familiar, yet entirely new, making it perfect for anyone looking for something unique. In conclusion, Genmaicha Milk Tea is more than just a beverage, it's an experience. With its rich flavor, health benefits, and calming aroma, it's easy to see why it's becoming a favorite. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time. Ready to taste Genmaicha Milk Tea? Grab a cup and experience the magic for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tea discoveries. You won't regret it.